task is today is that I'm going to put this, what we call as a tool, in here, and we're going to point this. This is the first point, and we'll try to follow these curves. And going back here, this line.
The curve one.
The curve is included in our demonstration today. This is what we call as a continuous path motion. So in your first task today is to follow these solid curves first. Just ignore this continuous motion. Yeah. And how am I going to put this in here is to do like this. Pressing this, that man switch. Then this one. Gripper open and gripper close. The same button. Yeah. Somebody help me?
后面，后面白色，跟金色
yeah. And I want you to start writing a program to follow these curves. Okay.
基本上是一样价钱。你说是 robot， 按 robot
Your robot should be you should train a few points before reaching this point. So it means we have about 1 point here, 1 point here, and another point just on top of this, and then we're going to use the linear motion straight down to this point. Okay. So it won't crash on the table because we will be choosing PDB motion.
Okay.
Oops.
好像不太对哦，你找那个红色点。
没有，还没有到。哎，过了。我要点在红色。
它是风筝的，没风筝。对。
要过去，或者下来。
对，
过去。
有，那是
这个啊。
啊。没有啊，你过去点。
要过去，过去然后之后。
看你知道没有？自己过去把它自己。还是你这红色去追过去？
下，再下，再下。过去。
Now you're using which coordinate system?
The
Global coordinate. So the global coordinate is actually almost the same as this. So the x positive is this, y positive, and z positive. And the ABC is just the reverse of x, y, z. A is for z, and B is for y, and C is for x.
Yeah.
And when you're training a robot, always make it parallel to this.
它没有在飞了，你要 rotate Z L。
这个 C 是 A。
A 啊。
no you're not rotating at all.
过去。再过。再过。
再转过。
还没有，还没有。
再过过。
还没有，还没有。
还要再过。
还没有，还没有。
再过一点。
你在这边看，在这边看。它跟那个线是多一个。是用眼睛看是吧？嗯。
Yeah. You can proceed with that second one.
So.
Okay.
You want to go out first?
Sorry.
I should create a new command line.
Yeah. Actually, you should put your cursor in line 5 because every time you create a new command, you go down by 1 line. If you're putting it in line 6, then your program will appear in line 7. You got an empty line. Line 6.
So the line is
one, two. Then we can define out. This is what we call as an auxiliary point. This starting point is the last point of the program. For example, now you have P2, right? So P2 will be your starting point. All you need is only one more auxiliary point and one more point. And this is fine when you're drawing a circle on a flat surface. What about drawing a circle in this kind of surface? Same thing. But one more thing you need to be aware is that it has to be 90 degrees to the surface. So this one has to be 90 degrees. It has to be 90 degrees so that you can trace the curves. You should start.
This is the starting point.
Yes, starting point. So you only need these 2 points. You only need these 2 points, auxiliary and end.
太死了。
Choose a circular motion. And you can see from here, we're having 2 points, right? P3 and P41. P3 corresponding to auxiliary point. P41 corresponding to end point. So now you have been placed the robot in auxiliary point, so you press this, teach auxiliary point. Yes. Don't do anything, proceed with the end point. This is starting, auxiliary, and end. So it's like a circle, right?
Oh, it's a curve.
Actually, now I'm here.
Okay. Yes. Okay, so now we should, I think it's good for